Are you looking for the top 5 best mosquito repellents for home? When you search for the best mosquito repellent for home, everything looks the same. Same features, same promises. But to find what really works, you need to look a little deeper.
Product number 1. Zevo Indoor Fly Trap with 1 cartridge. First up is the Zevo Flying Insect Trap. Priced at $17.97, this plug-in trap caught my attention with its sleek design and the promise of effectively catching indoor flying pests. If you want a hands-off solution to pesky flies, this is worth a serious look. This trap uses blue and UV light to attract houseflies, fruit flies, and gnats, making it work around the clock. The no-mess adhesive cartridge means you won't have to deal with dead bugs hanging around. Just pop it out and toss it when full. The fact that it's quiet and odor-free is a huge plus, especially if you have kids or pets. With 100,000 units sold in the past month, many people are finding it helpful for daily pest control. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It provides a discreet and efficient way to maintain a bug-free home without resorting to sprays or chemical repellents. Now, some people complained about the initial brightness of the blue light being annoying. Here's the thing though, it's just a little bright, but that means it's working. If you're someone who needs complete darkness for sleep, this could be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a family-friendly solution for indoor pest control. Skip this one if you're looking for an outdoor solution or if you need something that doesn't emit any light. Now, if the brightness of the Zevo trap bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach, focusing more on refills for ongoing use.
Product number 2. Zevo Indoor Fly Trap with 3 cartridges. Next, we have the Zevo Flying Insect Trap with 3 additional cartridges for $24.99. This model caught my eye because it offers more value with the extra cartridges, making it an appealing option for continuous insect control. If you're serious about keeping your home bug-free, this is definitely worth considering. Like its single cartridge counterpart, this trap uses blue and UV light to lure in unwanted insects day and night. The 3 extra cartridges mean you'll have plenty of replacements on hand to keep everything running smoothly for weeks. Many users appreciate this ongoing convenience, especially since the traps work silently and without sprays or odors. The blinking blue light reminder every 6 weeks to check the cartridge is another thoughtful touch. Given that it has also sold over 100,000 units this month, it's clear people trust this product for their homes. Now, some folks pointed out that the cartridges could be a bit pricey to replace. Here's the thing. If you're regularly dealing with a fly problem, the cost can be worth it for the peace of mind it brings. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, quiet, and low-maintenance option for ongoing indoor pest control. Skip this one if you're looking for something portable for outdoor use. This model is designed to stay plugged in. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer a more hands-on approach. Product number 3. Zevo Refill Cartridges 4-pack. Coming in at $14.97, we have the Zevo Flying Insect Trap Official Refill Cartridges. If you already own a Zevo trap, this is a no-brainer for keeping things running smoothly. If you want to keep your trap fresh and effective, these refills are definitely worth your attention. These cartridges are designed specifically for Zevo devices, ensuring that you maintain the same level of effectiveness in trapping gnats, houseflies, and fruit flies. Each cartridge uses Trap Plus Lock technology to capture insects discreetly, so you never have to touch them. This mess-free disposal is a huge plus for busy households. With 4 cartridges included, you can ensure ongoing protection without worrying about running out quickly. Given the consistent demand for these refills with over 100,000 sold recently, it's clear that many families find them essential. Now, some users mention that the adhesive can sometimes lose its stickiness before the cartridge is full. Here's the thing though, if you're vigilant about replacing them regularly, this shouldn't be a problem at all. This is perfect for you if you own a Zevo trap and want to maintain effective insect control without interruption. Skip this if you're looking for a standalone solution, as these are specifically for existing Zevo traps. Now, if a refill doesn't suit your needs, let's switch gears to something a bit different, a wearable option.
Product number 4, Clegonic Mosquito Repellent Bracelets. Next up, we have the Clegonic Mosquito Repellent Bracelets, priced at just $8.99 for a pack of 10. These caught my eye because they offer a natural, DEET-free way to keep mosquitoes at bay. If you're looking for a portable solution for outdoor activities, this is worth checking out. These bracelets are infused with essential oils and are designed to be worn on your wrist, giving you a hands-free option for repelling mosquitoes while hiking, camping, or even just enjoying the backyard. Each bracelet provides instant protection without the oily feel of traditional repellents, making them comfortable for both kids and adults. The fact that they're cruelty-free and vegan is another win for conscious consumers. With 90,000 sold in just a month, it's clear these are popular for outdoor enthusiasts. Now, some reviews noted that the scent may be too strong for some people. Here's the thing though, if you're outdoors, a little scent can go a long way towards keeping those pesky bugs away. This is perfect for you if you're an outdoor lover who prefers a natural approach to bug repellent. Skip this one if you're looking for a long-lasting indoor solution, as these are best for temporary outdoor use. Alright, that was a unique option, but if you need something more permanent for indoor use, let me introduce you to our final pick.
Product number 5, Zevo Indoor Fly Trap with 2 devices and 2 cartridges for $37.47. This caught my attention because it's perfect for larger homes or those who need multiple traps in different rooms. If you want comprehensive indoor pest control, this is a fantastic choice. Like the other Zevo products, this model utilizes blue and UV light for effective attraction and trapping of flying insects. Having 2 devices means you can set one in the kitchen and another in the living room, ensuring every corner of your home stays protected. The no-mess cartridges mean you won't have to deal with gross cleanups, and the 6-week reminder helps keep everything running smoothly. Given its popularity, with 60,000 sold recently, many people trust this for effective indoor pest management. Now, some users found the price a bit steep compared to single traps. Here's the thing though, if you're battling a fly problem in multiple areas, investing in this set could save you a lot of headaches. This is perfect for you if you need multiple traps for effective indoor pest control. Skip this if you're looking for just a single device to handle minor issues. So to recap, we've got options from convenient traps to natural repellents, ensuring you can find the right fit for your mosquito problem. To sum it all up, if you're looking for effective mosquito repellent, the Zevo traps offer quiet, mess-free solutions, while the Cliganic bracelets give you a natural, portable option for outdoor use. Each product has its strengths, so consider your specific needs. Whichever you choose, you'll be well on your way to a mosquito-free home.